Mom, what you getting ready to do?
Probably wash my car.
Really?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. Cause I ain't got nothing left to do until later on.
Wow. Is this?
I think it's hot though.
Nope. I can't help you. Hey, Buckle the Bells. Look, it's the little two grays.
Oh. Alright, let's get to it.
I'm still recording you. I'm still recording you.
Yeah.
I'm
End it. Boot out here working on his car. What you doing, Boot?
Trying to fix it.
Drea. Dre out here working on her crash dummy. What are you doing to it? Look. She got the mirror replaced. Her door handle's gone. And she scraped all of this. Asking me why? She's a teenager. But it's her car. What's going on? I'm washing my baby. No. Hubby working on his truck. Just my hubby's other car. And then that's my other baby. I'm gonna wash her too. So I decided to take a break because it's hot. And washing two cars is not a walk in the park. Everybody went in the house. Look like I got a little tan, but that's fine. But at least I'm burning calories, so that's what counts. And it's a nice day. I just hope it don't rain. At first it looked like it was gonna rain, but then it's nice and sunny, and it's Saturday. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit when I'm halfway done. Everybody quit on me, Brian. Everybody quit on me.
Don't like it.
You left me. You're done too?
Done what?
Working on your car.
Yeah.
Everybody left me outside. Lazy.
We want to get that magical chest open. And I don't know if we...
Hey, Brookie.
Open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. I open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. I open up.
I'm finally done washing both of my cars. Now they sparkly clean. They're clean. And I'm getting ready to go in the house, take a shower, unwind, and relax, and get ready for this evening festivities with my mom and hubby, and just enjoy Saturday. So catch you guys on our next vlog. Hopefully the kids will do something. I don't know. They kind of on the vlogging thing. I'm trying to get them all on board, but we'll see. So catch you guys next time.